What you doing, man? What she doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing, little fella? Huh? Are you having fun? Are you running and romping? Well, run and romp a little. Have a little fun. Show off. You better show off. You did something else, you know it? Yeah, you did something else. And you did bad to the bone.